Hey guys, so Billy and I are at our vacation house near Kissimmee, near Disney, and we try to come every few weeks and check the property and make sure everything's in order. So someone had left something in the dryer and it caused a huge black smut, greasy, gooey something in the drum. And so I looked, and most of our sheets have these black gummy marks. And so if you want to get those out, you can use Goo Gone, and you just spray it on here. I've already sprayed it a little bit, and then you just let it sit. And then what you want to do is cause friction by rubbing it together. And you have to give it some, you can see it's already disappearing. You can see that. But this will get rid of the greasy black stain on your sheets, so you're not having to just buy new sheets, so that everything in your property looks pristine. So Goo Gone is a great solution. It's also good for getting rid of stickers or sticky sales tags and things like that. No, I'm not making any money from Goo Gone. I wish I was. But I just wanted to share this tip with you to help your life be a little bit easier when you're managing your vacation rentals or your midterm rentals. I hope that helps. Don't waste money buying new sheets. Just get some Goo Gone.